Here I've got POPTEL P8 and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on power key and hold it for a while, and once you see power off tap, keep holding on it until you see reboot to safe mode notification. So if you truly want to reboot into safe mode in which all third-party applications will be disabled, click on OK and wait a couple of seconds until you are in safe mode. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in safe mode. The notification is over here, so you can use the device with all third-party applications deactivated, so you can detect some troubles. Then if you would like to go back to the normal mode, simply tap on power key, hold it for a while, and then click on restart. Just patiently wait, and within a couple of seconds you will be back in the normal mode, so you'll be able to use your device as usually. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode with all applications active. So that would be all. This is how you can activate, use and deactivate safe mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.